Hello, so welcome to your ratios and proportions notes. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So if we are comparing two different numbers with division, then it is called a ratio. Okay, it can be written in three different ways. 1:1, 1 to 1, or 1 divided by 1, or a number colon a number to a number, and one or a number divided by a number. It doesn't just have to be one. So if the two quantities have different units, then this ratio is called a rate. So for example, 45 miles per 1 hour, or my current car gas mileage of 26.8 miles per 1 gallon. Okay, and I'm sure you could think of several other units like minutes per foot or whatever you have. So a unit rate, bear with me, I'm trying some new program out. A unit rate has a denominator of 1. Okay. Moving on to the next part. And I will be posting a guide as well for you to check. Come on, you can open. So, an example for a ratio. Mason Comets Candy sells 2 dozen Comet bars for $24.60. The same candy bars can be purchased from Kroger in packs of 6 for $7.50. Find the unit rate for each and decide where you should shop. So if we have MCC, or Mason Comets Candy, they charge $24.60 per 24 bars. Again, because 24 is in 2 dozen. Okay. So if you simplify that out, you get that it's $1.03 per 1 bar. Okay. Now looking at Kroger's price, they sell their bars for $7.50 per box of 6 bars. Again, simplifying this into a unit rate, we get $1.25 per 1 bar. So looking at these two, the lowest price per bar is $1.03. So MCC, or Mason Comets Candy, has the better price. All right. So at this point, I want you to practice finding each unit rate for those 3 questions down at the bottom. And I will put the answers up as you are working on that. Okay. So as you're working, please continue to work and then just check your answers. So when you're finding unit rates, you're simply just dividing it out so that you get 1 in your denominator. So as you're continuing to work these out, I hope you're starting to see a pattern and that they're pretty simple. So on this last one, Main Street is the better deal. Okay. At this point, and that's all we have for ratios. When you're ready to move on to the next page or move on to the back, please visit the next video on proportions.